So in this video, you'll learn how to increase your constitution in Where Winds Meet. Now you can do this in two ways. One of them is by simply going ahead and tracking a fort that's occupied by bandits or an outpost and simply clearing this outpost. Once you've done that, you'll have successfully increased your constitution. Another way is by simply navigating to Kaifeng if you've unlocked it on the map. And once you've done that, you should be able to find the area where you can go ahead and wrestle. So this will be in the fairground area. And once you've done that, you'll then be able to increase your constitution with every win that you get. Bear in mind, if you do keep losing, you will keep decreasing your constitution. So ensure that you're at a high enough level where you can go ahead and challenge people without losing your constitution. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.